Double crochet, which is single crochet in US terminology, is the shortest of the 3 core crochet stitches to learn. The shortness of the stitch means that it creates a dense fabric and is therefore often used for things like amigurumi and homewares. To make the stitch, place your hook through the stitch. This is through the front loop and back loop at the top of the stitch from the previous row or round. Place your yarn around the hook. Make sure it goes over and not under your hook. Pull up a loop by scooping the yarn into the bowl of the hook and bringing it to the front of your work. You will now have 2 loops on your hook. Try to keep your hook parallel to your fabric. This action will pull the loop on your hook up a little, which will result in nice even gauge, keeping your work from being too tight or too loose. Yarn around hook and pull it through both loops on your hook, and that completes the stitch. So let's go through that again. Push your hook through the next stitch, yarn around your hook. Remember, it goes over and not under your hook. And you pull up a loop, bringing the yarn from the back of your work to the front of your work. Yarn around hook and pull through both loops on the hook. That's how you make the first of the 3 essential stitches for crochet. If you want to learn about the anatomy of a double crochet, single crochet US, to see what it looks like so you can start identifying it easily, I've linked to a blog post below which gives you some really helpful photo tutorials to look at.